Like, seriously, I just carried out so many free tests and even got free medications as well right here in my 16 community. This is just too much. It's so amazing. Like, wait, let's start from the beginning. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my 16 health campaign, where thanks to Wonder Association and other partner organizations, since yesterday, the people of my 16 have been receiving free health services. I'm talking about free testing, nutrition plans, free medications, and educational talks about your health. My 16 is a busy rural urban community in the southwest region of Cameroon, a place deeply affected by the ongoing crisis, receiving thousands of internally displaced persons, families seeking safety, children seeking stability and education, and a community struggling with increased dependency, poverty, and limited access to basic services. This is why Wonder Association Cameroon, a branch of Wonder Foundation, in collaboration with valued partners, chose My 16 for this important 2 days health campaign. Today happens to be the second day of this campaign, where free consultation, counseling, testing, medication, and even a nutrition boot for mother and infants continues. Now, we are going to take a look at the flow happening at the testing site, and we are going to do that through the eyes of a young girl from my 16 who came in for her testing as well. Her first stop is the Youth Corner, where the Wonder Association roll up was proudly displayed. And honestly, who wouldn't take a stop there when Wonder Association has been on everyone's lips in the community this past week as they have been preparing for this amazing event? Like, even I had to take a stop there and just see what the whole buzz about this Wonder Association was all about. After reading, she joined the children on the floor playing a menstrual health game, and you could see how concentrated they were. Faces squeezed like they were writing GCE exams. However, the fun that they were having there, that fun was for everybody. Her next stop was the waiting area, where the attendant welcomed her with a sweet smile, gave her a number, and showed her where to sit. When her number was called, she moved to the reception booth. Here, they took her blood pressure, her height, and her weight. And listen, the girl is tall. Like, seriously. From here, she moved to the counseling booth because she had some tests she wanted to do as well. She spoke with the counselor for a few minutes. The counselor wrote down some things. They had a heart to heart conversation. It was quite private, so I had to keep my ears to myself. The next stop was the consultation booth. She sat down with a young, beautiful, confident doctor. After her conversation with the doctor and the doctor giving her some instructions and of course validating the test that she had to do as well as other things, we moved to the lab booth. My goodness, it was busy. Tests happening everywhere like a medical market. I could barely understand half of what was going on. She found a seat while she waited for her number. When it was her turn, a beautiful lab technician called her in. Her finger was pricked, and honestly, I felt the pain myself. I'm not very good with pain. Once she was done, she returned to her seat and waited for her results. We had to move to the nutrition booth where a mother and her baby were being attended to. And honestly, one day I might be someone's mother, so why not ask a few questions in this booth? She returned to the doctor for post counseling. After the explanations, the doctor wrote down some prescriptions, which led her to the last booth, the drug dispenser, aka the pharmacy. Here, she got her medications and instructions. From here, our beautiful My 16 girl made her way out. And that is how the My 16 Health campaign site flows from one booth to the other. One of the highlights of the day was the visit of the chief of My 16 and some of his quarter heads. He greatly expressed his gratitude for this campaign, offering all these free services to my 16. He told the Wonder Association that they could always return as often as they wish, and to remember that for this great act of kindness, Wonder Association had formed a home in my 16.
First of all, applaud your efforts for coming to give the Bolifamba community this wonderful opportunities that some other communities are not even enjoying. I think we are blessed to have people with us, and we'll move forward to say you have our 100% support. We'll look forward to see you as many times as possible in our community, and we will sensitize our population to meet you everywhere you people are and seek for advice or counseling in any domain. I know and I trust people, because for somebody to have come to the community right at this level, it means you have the community at heart. You love the population. You love the local population. You will have decided to go to bigger cities so that your image be protected. But then, if you come to a community just like that of my 16, it means you have us at heart. And we can not stop by encouraging you. We cannot stop by giving you the full support so that you have your activities fully executed.
One festival, many voices.
Quick access to healthcare.
A stronger community starts with a good health.
We love you, Wonder Association!